Hi, my name is Speaker Sam and they call me the Value Don. I'm so excited that I'm doing this video right now to show you how to set up a landing page without having a website. You don't need a website to set up a landing page for your online course or for whatsoever it is that you want to sell. So what do we do? Now this method that I'm about to show you happens by using MailChimp. So you have to go to MailChimp.com and register an account. So if you get to MailChimp.com and you register an account, then you will be able to access this landing page feature from MailChimp. So once you get to the dashboard, this is how the dashboard looks like. You come to create. You click on create. You're going to see email, ads, website beta, landing page, postcard, social post. So you go for landing page. So when you go to landing page, you give your landing page a name. So for example, now the landing page I'm about to create is a landing page for copywriting, the ultimate copywriting handbook. For example, no, let's do something else. Let's say one of the bonuses that I gave out, how to set up landing pages, how to create landing pages that converts. Alright, so we're good. So you click on the audience. You may not have an audience at that time. Then you begin. Now this feature of MailChimp is what we call the drag and drop feature. It means that just by dragging and dropping, you can easily create a landing page without any stress. You don't need to be paying for those heavy websites, huge money websites, and all of those stuffs. You don't need them. So with this method, you're gonna get the same result, and also do it better. You don't need a dime. So these are templates. They're gonna come up. We have the lead generation templates. We have accept payments templates. Some of them are still going to come up now. They're still going to come up. So let's just keep looking. Alright, so let's come down. We're going to see some other part of the templates. So you're free to select any of the templates that you want, which depends on the mission that you want to achieve. So in this case now, what I am talking about is a sales page. I'm not interested in collecting somebody's email address or just whatever. I'm not interested in that. I'm talking about a proper sales page. I'm talking about a sales page that I can use to sell a product. That is what I'm thinking out right now. So these are templates, different ones. I really want us to have it. Okay, accept payment. This is promote product. I think I like promote product. So let me go for promote product. So once you select the template that you want, no template can give you 100% of what you want. Do you understand? So that is the reason why you just have to be smart when you're selecting the templates. Select the templates that you can convert to whatever. That's how you should do it. Select a template that you can convert to whatever you want. Alright, it's coming up. So on the right hand side, you're going to see test, a box test, divider, image group, image card. Let me bring it down. See image card. You're going to see video, button, payment, sign up, and so on. So in this case, can we set up a simple landing page? Let's just do that. A simple landing page to sell my book titled how to create a landing page that is crazy landing pages. The first thing you have to respect here is this, that not everything on this page, you don't need everything on this page. Do you understand? So you're free to delete and edit anything you don't want. So I want to start by making sure that you must have sketched your landing page on a paper. And if you take a look at the course that I gave out to you on the Killer Sales Copy, I taught exactly how the landing page should work. A landing page starts with the headline or attention grabber. So in this case, we could start with attention grabber. So let me replace this image. Let me see if we have something to replace this image. Okay, alright, this is an image that I have already here. How did I get this image? I downloaded the image from Google. Just secrets.png. That's the way. Anything you're looking for and you want to download it as an icon, this is how to download it. Secret.png, and you download the image. Then you come in here. Assuming I don't have this image, I would have just uploaded. Do you understand? But now I have an image. Let me take it out. You see, there's upload. So I can go to my system and upload the image I have downloaded. Do you understand? Let me use that opportunity to actually upload the image of the book that I intend to sell in this course, which we are using as an example to set up a landing page. You can use this method to set up a course page. Just make sure that you have already sketched out how your sales page will look like on paper, and also you have typed in your sales page using the method I've taught you on your device or wherever you feel like typing it. What are we looking for? We're gonna find it. Alright, we're still going. We're gonna find it. Okay, this is it. So I want to upload this too. So you see, immediately I clicked on this, it's uploading already. Alright, it's here already. But that's not what I need right now. What I need is this attention grabber. So I will just insert. So once I insert, it should come up. Oh, wow, let me cancel. Let me replace it. What I'm showing you is just the basics. You can always, go around. I know that you're gonna get this for sure. So this is good. You can reduce the size, save and close. I don't like this header. I can take it out. Oh, it took out my image. Ctrl Z. Is it gonna come back? It didn't come back. That's fine. So I can insert. Let me just carry one image and put it there. Now in this case, now you see that they are telling us that this is the headline. So it means that we can just allow that one go. We're still going to insert it. I'm coming. Drop block here. I just drop the image here. Upload an image. This is the image I want as the first thing on my page. Okay. Number one, secret revealed. So now let me work on this headline. I taught you how to create headline in the course. Please go back to the course. So I'm going to craft mine right away. Alright, so this is what I feel like using as my own headline. I'm free to edit the font, so whatever I want it to be. Lucida looks good. This looks good too. I can reduce the size. I can bring it to 25. Let's see. You can do something here. Instead of the too many gaps, you can reduce it to whatever you want to reduce it to. If you want it to be too big, you want a TOC headline, that could work. You want an headline 4, that could work. That's headline 3 too. Headline 3. If you want to centralize, you can put on center. Yeah, you can expand this to 27, 28, 29, 30. Alright, that's fine. You can decide to make it in colors. I see I've done that already. So you see all of those stuffs, I don't need them, but I'm just gonna do this. This is an example, and that's why I'm doing this for you. So if you follow the sequence that I taught in the class, after the what do we call this, after the headline, the next thing is just to tell a story. Let's do that. So let's say, for example, this is not what I wanted to say. Normally, this is not what I'm going to write, but this is just for an example, and that's why I'm writing this way. So don't mind my line of thoughts in this case. This is just an example. It's just for you to understand. I'm not teaching you how to write sales copy. I'm teaching you how to use this feature. That's what I'm showing here. All right. So good. So let's say this is the old letter that I want to write. I can give it a black. The best way for you to craft the sales copies, to design best sales copies, to study sales copies in your niche. So this is an assignment for you. Go and check out sales copies or landing pages that are written by other people. By doing that, you are going to figure out where and when to put the color. How does the arrangement, how does it work? So let's say, for example, this is what I want to write. Okay, this is what I want to write. For example, I've written all my rubbish. Pay close attention to what I'm about to show you right now. Discover how to create sales that convert like crazy. Okay, let's say I now want to introduce the book. Let's put in test. Okay. Introducing my latest course. Just an example. Don't forget, this is an example. You can come here, content style. You can give it a color. You can see that. You can give it a color. This is the place of content. You can give it a background. Alright, well, good. So I just want to insert the picture of the product. That's what I want to do right now. You see this page, you're free to edit the style of this page. Okay, not this page. If I want to edit the style, I can. I'm coming. Just click on the page itself. Let's see what we have. It says background. We want to make it right. Let's see what we have. Okay, this is for the headline. Okay, let's go on. The best sales page should be white because of some people that have color blindness. This place can be a place for my, you can delete this. Anything you don't want, please feel free to delete. Not everything, you can't use everything you find here. This is a place for testimonials. Alright, testimonials. So I want to put the picture of the book here, introducing my latest course. Upload the image. This is the image of the latest course. So that has been done. This is the place for testimonials. Let's say I want to add a buy now button. This is button. I can just add a button here. Buy now. Click here to buy now. So let's say I'm done. For example, I can always put the link of the page here. If some of you that want to sell your courses, you can use Paystack link and put the Paystack link here. You can put the Paystack link here. If it's a file, you can use a file. If it's an email address, you can put the email address here. But then it's going to be a file. Style is used for colors. So I want to make this button red. That's what I want. I think that's fine. Advanced options, let's see what we have. Okay, it's still style. Okay, font. I don't like this font, it's too dull for my own action button. Okay, I can increase the size to 48. Okay, can you see how big the button is now? So I just came on, I started talking, I went on. I can add a video. If I want to add a sign up form, I can add a sign up form. Here. You can use this to set up a landing page anytime, any day. Sign up form. I want to collect email address or something. If I want to collect more than that, first name, last name, address, phone number, birthday, to tell you how filled up this is. But then it's better that you collect first name, last name, and email address. So after somebody clicks on the button to give me all their details, where do they go? It takes them to a web address. It takes them to a confirmation message. Any one of the two. As for me, if you want to use a confirmation message, you can write the confirmation message here. Just for example, so this is just an example. Click here to call me. You're free to add links. If you want to add links and you want people to click, we use this button, link. Just put link there and put the whatever you want to put there. Let's say google.com is the link. If it's a WhatsApp now, you can just put api.whatsapp. That your WhatsApp link that you have. You can just put it there and put insert. You see, so the person will click here to do whatever you want them to do. If what you want them to do, this is a confirmation message method. If what you want them to do is, just come here. If what you want them to do is to go to a web address, the same way you did that one is the same way you do it. Alright, good. So I can add a video. Let me add a social follow. I want to add a social follow here. Okay, I want you to follow me on Facebook or Instagram or wherever. I can add that there. That's fine. What else do I want it to do? If I want to add an image, go 4 images at a go. This is it. A box text. I want to add a text with a box. I can add that too. That will come in a color, and then you write whatever you want to write on it. Alright, so once you are done with your writing, you're done with your setup, you can preview what you have written. So click on preview and let's see what comes out. Let's see what comes out as a landing page. Let's see what comes out. Let's see what comes out. I think that's loading. Okay, so while that is loading, you are free to preview. This is a divider. A divider is used to divide pages. Like you want to add something to divide a page into two. You see that's the work of a divider, and you are free to edit a divider. If you don't want it solid, you want it as a line, you want it as dots, you want the color of the divider to be red, you're free. That's a divider for you. These are just all of the features. So the test, the box test, the divider, the image group, image card, image plus test, share, social follow, button placement, video, all of these things are the things that come together, plus template. They are the things that come together and forms a landing page for you. So once you're done, you click on save and close, and it goes forward to show you the landing page. Like I showed you before, you are free to preview the page, but that's taking our time. So the landing page is going on. So because this account has some issues, I want to give you a warning, please. The warning is this: make sure you are careful with the kind of words you use in your landing page. In your sales copy, if the words you use are against the policy, because MailChimp also has a policy, they are going to block you and you will not be able to use this account. This account I can see here, we made a mistake by mentioning how to make money. The way we said it, they were against it, and that was what happened. Can you see the landing page we just designed now? Can you see how it looks like? Can you see how it looks like? This is how it will look on desktop. Just an example. This is how it will look on a mobile. So have you seen? You just completed the landing page without paying a dime. Let me cancel the preview mode. So I can give my landing page a name, pay title, SADERT, for example. It will come as a URL. That's all. I just have to, once I'm done, I just come here and I click on publish. Let me add URL. To add URL, I can say MailChimp / my page. So I can save that. And what else? I can click on publish. That is if this is working, but we cannot do this. So that's why we cannot publish. They said we have some issues, so we cannot publish because this account already has a problem. But then I think I've been able to show you how to do this easily. That is how easy it is. Just follow the rules, apply the drag and drop, study as many landing pages as possible. Don't just come on and start creating landing. That's a warning. Don't just come on and start creating landing pages. Sketch it on paper. This is how I want it to look like. So when you come here, it will be easy for you to apply the tools that you have on the right hand side, which are the drag and drop tools that I have showed you how to use them. Thank you so much, and see you on the other side.